Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Action, Karma Yoga, Chapter 3, Shloka number 1. Arjuna said, "If it be thought by you that knowledge is superior to action, O Janardhan, why then do you, O Keshava, engage me in this terrible action?"
Chapter 3, Shloka 1. Arjuna uvacha jayasi chet karmanaste matha buddhirjanardana tatkim karmani ghore mam niyojayasi keshava.
Chapter 3, Shloka 1. In the previous two chapters, Arjuna didn't want to fight. He didn't want success and glory. He wanted to renounce these and retire to the forest to meditate. Why did Lord Krishna's advice confuse Arjuna? In one place he said, never remain inactive. Perform duty without any anxiety for a fixed result. At another place he indicated that karma was inferior to buddhi, also advised in conclusion that the path of knowledge was the gateway to perfection. This creates a doubt in all seekers regarding the path to the absolute. Is it knowledge or action or both together, practiced in synthesis, or finally the total renunciation of both? Inaction is not an option. We must work as long as we are alive, as inaction is the insignia of death. Due to ignorance, we work selfishly only for enjoyment, and this creates in us fresh vasanas for new births. Due to the wrongful tendencies, the way out of this vicious circle is the path of right action. When we dedicate our actions to God and act selflessly in a spirit of surrender and sacrifice, then we exhaust our vasanas. The exhaustion of vasanas purify our inner instruments, integrate our personalities, and make us single pointed. Such a prepared mind alone can pursue the path of self inquiry to discover the self. Lord Krishna says that any action can be glorious sacrifice if it meets the following three criteria, that is, purity of motive, spirit of surrender, and a deep emotion of love. This first shloka shows Arjuna's confusion. His condition is psychotic, though he has surrendered to the divine wisdom of his friend Lord Krishna. He is unable to appreciate his words. He is still thinking that his own cowardice is noble, and so he is seeking Krishna's confirmation. Arjuna doesn't understand the words of Lord Krishna, and he feels that his friend Krishna is confused. So he asks him to give clear instructions. But Lord Krishna knew Arjuna was suffering from a mental disease called anxiety state neurosis. Though he was skilled, because of his ego, he couldn't identify with the army. which was championing a just cause. He saw Krishna's arguments supporting the path of renunciation, which included the advice to him, that is Arjuna, to undertake the terrible path of action. So Arjuna's question. More in the next shloka in the next video. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita commentary by Swami Chinmayananda available. To understand Gita, join Chinmay Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmay Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.